Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks on your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. So let's go to the application. Choose our device, it should connecting. Here we go. So the toppest trick for me is that these headphones have a DAC, so it really increase sound quality, so you can just turn on it, and I recommend it to doing it. The second one is dynamic boost. I already turned on it, but oh yeah, we need some time to connect our headphones to the phone because of DAC. Here we go, and we turn on LDAC. So about dynamic bass, if you like basses, I recommend it to turn on it and choose the best one for you. Like I choose for myself, but maybe you have another, you want to change it. So the next one is the game mode. If you're playing games, I recommend it to turn on it. It also help you. Also, I really like dual connection. We can connect two devices at the same time. If you want to know how to do it, please watch our another video. Here we go. And the last one, I really like it. It's ANC, what means active noise cancelling. So we can also turn on it, but we should put the headphones in the ears, and after that we can turn on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.